This is a pretty typical stone wall in Thetford, Vermont. There's a lot of it here. In the 100 acres surrounding this site, there are 2 miles of wall. Aside from being taken at night, this picture is pretty unremarkable when seen under the light of this normal flashlight. But this Christmas, we got our kids UV flashlights, ultraviolet flashlights. And here's what we discovered, a whole new universe. This wall is a retaining wall made by a farmer around 1800. Coincidentally, that same year, pharmacist John Ritter, over in what is now Poland, discovered UV light. In the intervening 220 years, scientists have used UV fluorescent colors to identify different species, fungi, algae, lichens, all sorts of different types of animals and plants. Surprisingly, there doesn't appear to be a comprehensive field guide to this world hiding right in plain sight. One note about doing your own observations: if you get your own UV light, it will do serious eye damage when you look at the UV light or even have it reflected back into your eyes. You need to wear protective eyewear. The fluorescent colors aren't appearing the same way that colors appear with normal visible light. With visible light, an object simply absorbs certain colors and reflects others. You see the reflected colors. But with fluorescing light, the material itself is changing. The fluorescent light adds energy to the material, and then a photon is emitted as that energy decays. It's a completely different process, and this is why the green gunk on the stone wall doesn't show up as a bright green. Instead, it shows up as a bright orange. It's a bit hard to predict. There's a lot going on, and it isn't well studied, and it's beautiful.